Zip lesion is a meniscocapsular separation of the lateral meniscus. It is equivalent to the ramp lesion on the medial side. Here we are demonstrating the repair of zip lesion of lateral meniscus using a suture shuttle technique through the posterolateral portal. Here an ideal suture shuttle is passed from the posterolateral portal and a chia suture passer is passed from posterior to anterior, and this chia suture passer is railroaded with a small wire which is then tied and thereby reducing the zip lesion into its position. Now this particular technique is useful because in this particular area of the posterolateral condyle the popliteal artery and is very close. So if you are using the conventional technique of all inside sutures, you may land up very close to the popliteal vessels. Hence, an all inside equivalent technique in which you use a suture to tie the zip lesion is a preferred technique, and I would recommend this technique over implant based inside repair because it will go into the capsule on the posterior side. Here the knot and everything is tying while visualizing it from the joint itself. So hence I would recommend this technique for a zip lesion for of the lateral meniscus. If you have any questions, you can get back to us on the